Ano na? Ang ganda ano, gingaw. Like, alam tayo mga project. Ito kasi bigyan ng biglo eh. Aba,
Biyan, pwede po spread out po tayo. Same with Kabuyaw. Spread out po tayo sa end line.
like yun eh, binabitch yun. Yun ang video ako na.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the LGU Games 2024 Volleyball Tournament right here at the Alote Sports Arena.
May radyo nila na yun, sa radyo dito, grabe po. Okay, so dito ko lang. Pero yung anim na bago sa kapag, anong gagamitin school na? Ano mo kay Coach Noni?
We're just waiting for the queue for the live streaming.
Parang sumis. Kung may pagagamitin yan. Hindi. Ayaw niya. Ha? What? Okay, kaya. Tinanggal na nga nila. Wala namang advice na ayaw mo nang gagamitin.
Sir RG, pwede na tayo mag-start? Okay. Again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the LGU Games 2024 Volleyball Tournament right here at the Lotte Sports Arena in the city of Piñan. Presenting to you the competing teams for our first match, Women's Division, and this will be played between Cabuyao City and the host LGU, the city of Piñan.
Ang player yun, kulang pa nga lang. Sumunod mo. Tignan mo. Try na rin mo. So, ito pala nga. Kaya tingnan mo ito yung akin. Try na na. Hindi lang yun. Kaya ba? Okay na, guys. Thank you. Parang yung nakita ko kay JJS sa friend ko. Kaya nung nakita ko kasi pero mahal ko na. Hey, how's it in sa mga pera? Sabi ni coaches. Sinabi sa akin, bakit mo? Tignan mo kung magkano. Mahal, sabi ko, sige na lang, maliglig pa yan.
Again, we would like to remind our participating teams that the LGU of Pinyan City will be providing your warm-up balls. So no need to bring your warm-up balls with you during the matches here at the LGU games.
Apat ko. Bibigyan din eh. You know. Kaya. Okay. That's it. Itanay ba ito eh? Screenshot ka natin. Atin check na. Ano? Yeah. Pabuyong sa saka yung number mo na, no? Okay lang po. At watch mo, di ba? Malakas lang doon. Ano? Mistake mo. Sabi mo ba? Di ba? Feel. Like that. Malasatan. Kaya, yan. Yan, di ba nakagugugan na may waste ka? Oo. Yes. O na. Kapulot. Ikaw, ano? Ang ganda naman ng mga shoes. Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda. Ayan.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and we are live here at the Facebook page of the Local Government Unit Local Government Unit Games. This is the third year. And for the first match of the women's volleyball, maghaharap ang Binyan City Local Government Unit at Cabuyao City. Right now, natapos na ang ating warm-up and protocol of our players. And now we're moving on to the first set of this first match between Cabuyao City and Binyan City. Sino kaya ang magwawagi sa ating dalawang teams? I-comment nyo na ang inyong mga pambato. Lahat ng mga taga-Binyan at mga taga-Cabuyao ay mag-ingay sa comment section dahil makakasama nyo kami until the end of today para sa ating women's and men's volleyball. Kaninang tanghali ay naganap ang men's basketball kaya naman ngayon papanood ninyo ang dalawang women's volleyball and dalawang men's volleyball. Now, for the service is Cabuyao. But that was an error for Binyan. Kaya first point for Cabuyao, 1-0. At the service line is jersey number 25. Muling nagbabalik ang Cabuyao sa ating volleyball turf. There was an error on that service. Kaya ang punta sa balik sa Binyan, all one. Now, service for Binyan. Nice received by the libero of Cabuyao. But that was an attack on that error point for Binyan. 2-0. Still serving is jersey number 12, the Jaws of Binyan City. We are live here at the Alonte Sports Arena, and this is the first match of the women's volleyball. Nagsusundutan ang ating mga players. Sinet ng Binyan. Try to do an over. Nakuha ang butas. Pumala pero tinawagan na ng ating referee that was a double contact. Point for Cabuyao. All two. Sabi ni Jake Caballero, shout out kay Coach Uni. And sabi ni Howie Moniro, go Bunny McGenius. Hello po sa inyong lahat ng ating mga nanonood. That was a nice attack inside for Binyan City. The score now is 3, serving 2. Nice service from Binyan City. Sineti number 20. Sinubukan paluin. Pasok. With a little help from the net. Our score now is 3-all. You can share this live para naman makita ng inyong mga lungsod ang ating laro ngayon dito sa ating LGU Games. And that was outside. Point for Binyan. A very napaka-tanim na service from Binyan City. Kaya naman with the service ace, it's now 5-3. This is the third year of the LGU Games. And the brand new name is LGU Games. Formerly, it was the Southern Manila Games. Now, it's called the LGU Games. Siyempre, spearheaded yan ng City Human Resource and Development Office ng Local Government Unit of Binyan. Headed by the Department Head, Ma'am Jenny Ann Sarmiento. Still service. That's another ace for Binyan. 6 serving 3. Mukhang sa service, tatalunin ng Binyan ang kanilang kalaban. Pero tingnan natin, baka ma-jinx ang service ng Binyan. Sabi ni Kitty Antiporda, shout out kay Ana Antiporda ng Cabuyao. Galingan mo, thank you. Kaya naman, i-shout out nyo na ang inyong mga pagsuporta sa ating mga women's team ng volleyball. But that was 4 touches, score for Barangay, score for Binyan City. Kasi parang dinaig pa ang ating barangay ang tournament ng pagtatapat ng ito ng Binyan at Kabuyao. Historically, magkadikit ang Binyan. Binyan was part of Kabuyao before, but now, they're both separate cities. Nice receive by the libero of Kabuyao. Over to Binyan. Sinet ng setter. Easy over by Binyan. Hinabol ng libero pero hindi na kinaya pa. Sayang, kinulang ng konting takbo ang mga taga-Kabuyao. Point goes to Binyan. Nanonood sa atin si Tita April Joy Pineda. Hello! Sabi ni Miss Leia Danwata, go Kabuyao. Cheer on your teams. Kung kayo mga taga-Kabuyao, Binyan, service ace again for Binyan. Time out for Kabuyao. Our official score now is 9, serving 3. Now back at our first set of this first match between Cabuyao City and Binyan City. Still serving is City of Binyan. Tak by Cabuyao. Nice set by Binyan. Pinalo. Nakuha ng libero pero hindi niya kaya pang ihabol. Kaya naman puntos pa rin para sa Binyan City. Caitlin Sulit, go Ate Riza, ilaban mo yan. Ray D. Carandang Jr., go Kabuyao. Alagang Joyce, go Binyan. Sino-sino bang mga players ang inyong inaabangan sa pagtatapat na ito? Another service ace for Binyan. Now we're 11 serving 3. Mukhang lumalaki ang kalamangan ng Binyan City. At karamihan ng puntos ay mula sa service line ng Binyan. Receive by Kabuyao. Papaluin, nakuha ng Binyan, nahabol pa, easy over para sa Kabuyao. Konting touch, pero na-receive at nabawi pa rin ng Binyan. Receive by Kabuyao. Isiset. With that attack, nakuha ng Binyan. Papaluin. For a score, nakuha ng libero. Nice dig. Binyan, trying to set the play. Kahit may konting miscommunication na ituwid pa rin ang bola, Kabuyao, pero nakita ang butas, puntos for Kabuyao. It's now 4, serving 11. Natapos na rin ng Kabuyao ang service A strike ng City of Binyan. Now it's Kabuyao at the service line. And binawi ng Kabuyao ang service ace by jersey number 4. Jersey number 3. Now Kabuyao for the service. Nice serve. Nagkakalituan dun sa side ng Binyan pero naitawid ang bola. Kabuyao for the attack. But that was 4 touches. Kaya puntos binalik para sa Binyan. 12, serving 5. Our officials for this match is the Valley Prep Events Management Services. Set number 12. Binyan for the attack. One hand pero hindi na itawid pa. Kinulang ng konting push, puntos for Binyan. It's now 13, serving 5. Jersey number 17 for Binyan for the serve. Nice receive. Papaluin pero hindi pumasok ang bola. Error on that attack. Point for Binyan. 14, serving 5. Itinulak ng Binyan pero nabawi ng Kabuyaw. Attack of Binyan inside by jersey number 5. Score now is 15, serving 5. Lamang ng 10 ang Binyan sa unang set ng match na ito. So, easy attack for Kabuyaw. Sinet for Binyan. Nahabol ng libero. Sinet for Kabuyaw. Nice dig by Binyan team. Pinush ang bola for Kabuyaw. Number 10 to attack. Nabawi at ibinalik kaagad ang bola. The libero received by 11. Easy over by number 10. Jersey number 10. Now for Binyan. And that attack of jersey number 5 is in. Score is 16, serving 5. And that, a push for Binyan ni jersey number 5 nagtulak ng score. Mukhang nakakalamang-lamang si jersey number 5 ng Binyan sa set na ito. Now we have 16 serving 5. Sorry, it's now 17. 18 serving 5. Second time out by Cabuyao City. Our official score is 18 serving 5. Lumolobo ang halamangan ng Binyan City at titignan natin kung madadala nila ito hanggang makapanalo ng 3 sets sa harapang ito. Again, this is your third LGU Games brought to you by the City Human Resource and Development Office of the City of Binyan in partnership with the cities and municipalities participating for this tournament. We are still at match 1, set 1 between Cabuyao City versus Binyan City. Sa ating live ay nagko-comment si Ray Di Karandang, laban lang Cabuyao, go, go, go. Lani Perez, good luck sa inyo ang cheer ng ating mga viewers. Keep on sharing this live and comment your cheer. Nice attack by jersey number 3. Hindi na naiangat pa ng Binyan. Point for Cabuyao. It's 5 serving 18. I think it's now 6 serving 18. Nice attack by jersey number 5 again. Out of bounds ng block ng ating mga team Cabuyao. Kaya naman point for Binyan. It's now 19 serving 6. That was error on that service. Point for Cabuyao. 7-19. Sino-sino bang player sa Cabuyao at sa Binyan ang inyong sinusuportahan? Now for Cabuyao, it's jersey number 27 for the serve. Konting push ang gagawin sana ni 25 pero that was short kaya puntos for Cabuyao. 8 serving 19. Cabuyao for the serve. And that is service ace for Cabuyao. 9 serving 19. 10 pa rin ang kalamangan ng Binyan. That was outside. 20 serving 9. Now it's jersey number 5 at the service line. Easy attack by jersey number 25. Nakita na hindi handa ang Kabuyaw on that end. Point for Binyan. 21 serving 9. Still serving is jersey number 5. Nice service by jersey number 5. Atake ang Kabuyaw. Nice save by Binyan. Kabuyaw tried to send that ball, but that is so short. Puntos para sa Binyan. 22, serving 9. Binyan with that service. Attack Kabuyaw. Save by Binyan. In-attack ng Binyan, ba hindi na naiangat pa ang bola. Our score now is 23, serving 9. Warning for Binyan. Dire-diretso pa rin ang pagregasa ng puntos ng Binyan City laban sa Kabuyaw. Pero with that attack, kinulang ng konti. Error in that attack by jersey number 3 of Kabuyaw. Set point for Binyan, 24-9. Nailigtas ng Kabuyaw mula sa very hard service na yan. But nandun ang reception, hinanapan ng butas ng Binyan pero nakita, to attack, Kabuyaw. Ibinalik ka agad ang bola, Kabuyaw will now set, trying to attack. Nakuha pa rin ang Binyan. Konting push na itawid pero natawagan ng referee. Touch net ang tinawag ng referee. Kaya puntos naman para sa mga taga Kabuyaw City. Our score now is 10, serving 24. Nagtulakan sa net, but that point, na push ni number 25 ng Binyan, make it a winning set for Binyan. Our now score is 1-0. That set went for Binyan, 25-10. Congratulations to Binyan City for winning the first set. Ang ating score sa natapos ng na set ay 25 for Binyan and 10 for Kabuyao. This is the first match of the women's volleyball as part of the third LGU Games. Once again, we thank the City Government of Binyan through the City Human Resource and Development Office, of course, Mayor Armand de Magala, Vice Mayor Jill Alonte, and Congresswoman Len Alonte Nagiat. Nagpapasalamat din po tayo sa mga kasama nating local government units dito sa Laguna, Batangas, and Cavite. Maraming salamat po for joining this year's LGU Games. Kanina ay nagkaroon tayo ng opening ng ating third LGU Games kasama ang iba't ibang mga cities and municipalities at kanilang mga city officials. And we are very glad to witness ang pagbubukas muli ng mga games na ito after how many years that we've been in pandemic. Though meron tayong second LGU last year, it was the Southern Manila Games. Now it's called the third LGU Games. Competing this afternoon is Binyan City versus Cabuyao City. So kung meron kayong mga cheers at shout out sa comment section, i-shout out nyo na yan. Kagaya ng pag-shout out ni Sir Jojo Del Valle Jr., shout out po daw sa mga taga City Health Office 1. At sabi ni Miss Lani Perez, bawi Kabuyaw, bawi. Sabi ni Sir Ray Carandang, laban lang po Kabuyaw, kaya natin yan, go, go, go. So, i-cheer nyo na ang inyong mga sinusuportahang players and teams sa ating comment section and keep on sharing and reacting to this Facebook Live. Sundan nyo po ang ating mga games dito lang sa ating sa ating official Facebook page, Local Government Unit Games. Now we are at set number 2 of our match number 1 here at the third LGU Games Women's Volleyball Division. Service by Binyan. Kabuyao. On the attack on that second receive, ibinalik ng Binyan. Kabuyao to attack. Received by Binyan. An over was given, pero hindi na iangat ng konti ni number 12 ng Kabuyao. Kaya naman puntos para sa Binyan for the first point. 1-0. Go Laika Platino, Binyan jersey number 5. Pa-shout out po. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Melissa Villabeto. Si Platino pala yung number 5 ng Binyan. Attack on that error. Another point for Binyan. 2. Serving 0. Sabi ni Miss Chanda Alipala, Bawe Kabuyao, please. Si Orin Skay, shout out kay Rubian S. League ng Kabuyao, Liyage ng Kabuyao. Umover dun sa ataking yon. Kaya naman balik ang puntos sa Binyan. It's now 3-0. Nice receive by Kabuyao. Maganda pagkakaset, tinalo. Number 20 to set, papaluin ba ni number 28 with that attack? Nakuha ng libero pero hindi na iangat. Mukhang si Ma'am Vien ng Binyan ang tumira ng ataking yon. That's a point for Binyan. It's now 4-0. And now it's 5-0. 5 na po ang Binyan. And that is another service ace for Binyan. It's now 6-0. Shout out kay Laika P. Platino Binyan jersey number 5. Sabi ni Miss Melissa Villabeto. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit kailangan ng sound ni Joshua Jacinto. Sabi ni Bona Kidsia, go Binyan. Inside for Kabuyao, it's now 1-6. Shout out sa ating 100 viewers. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Sabi ni Jeffrey Vargas, go LGU Binyan. Go. Sige lang po. Cheer on your teams on the comment section. So, Kabuyao for the serve. Received by the libero of Binyan. Papaluin ni Miss Gladys, number 14 ng Binyan. Sinet ng Kabuyao. Easy over ang binigay. Kinuha ng libero ng Binyan. Sineset kay Miss Vivian. Miss Vivian, a little short at that attack. Kaya puntos for Kabuyao. It's now 2-6. Sabi ni Miss Anne Dinglasan Doktora, galing ni Janice, go Kabuyao City. Received by Binyan. Attack by Binyan. Now, this is being set by Kabuyao. Papaluin. But very good attack by Kabuyao. At yung mga attack na yan ang kailangan ng Kabuyao City to win this match or this set against Binyan. Tingin ko nakukulangan ng Kabuyao sa maayos na pag-receive ng mga bola so that they could set at makapalo ng mga ganong palo. Binyan for the attack. Easy over ang ginawa ng Kabuyao by number 12, but that was an error. If Kabuyao will work on their receive and their attacks, mukhang kayang-kaya naman nilang makalamang sa Binyan. Siguro ang advantage ng Binyan at this point, talagang nagre-receive at pumapalo ang ating mga attacker sa wing side at sa open ng ating mga teams dito sa Binyan City. Now, service by Binyan. On that error, sinubukang habulin pero outside. Kinuha lang ang Binyan. Puntos para sa Kabuyao. Kaya naman ang mga tao ay super cheer. Dahil kahit ang audience kasali sa ligang ito. Serving is Kabuyaw. Score is 4, serving 7. Receive by Binyan. Sinong magbabalik ng bola? Number 26. Inabangan ng Binyan, nalito yung Kabuyaw kung papasok ba, kaya naman 8 ang puntos ng Binyan, 4 for Kabuyaw. Sabi ni Miss Lani Perez, LGU Kabuyaw, God first. Coach Third, Lastima, go LGU Binyan. But that was an error on that service. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ang puntos para sa Kabuyaw naman, 5 serving 8. Kabuyaw City to serve. But that was an error on that service. Balik ang puntos sa Binyan, 9 serving 5. Naiwaway Tribo is watching us live at gusto niya tayong sumigaw. Pero hindi natin maisisigaw ang hilig ni Naiwaway. That service with a little help from the net. Ibinalik ng Kabuyaw. Binyan will try to set and to attack. That was short on that attack. Kaya naman puntos para sa Kabuyaw. Our score now is 6 serving 9. Kabuyaw is here to serve. Point for Binyan. 10 serving 6. Nice floating serve by Binyan. Kabuyaw tried to serve. And with that attack, mukhang kinulang. At nakita ng Kabuyaw ang butas ng Binyan sa side na yon. Kaya Kabuyaw will now serve. Jersey number 27 for Kabuyaw to serve. Short yung service pero ibinalik on the second set. Nice received at abang ng libero ng Binyan. Kabuyaw to attack. Nakuha pa rin ng Binyan trying to serve. And that attack is a point for Binyan. 11 serving 7. Nice attack by jersey number 10. Will Binyan take home the first match? Aabangan natin yan. With their set, and that attack by Miss Gladys is still inside, still playing. Received by the libero of Binyan. Sinet ng setter. To attack, that was a short attack error. Point for Kabuyaw. It's now 8 serving 11. Mukhang humahabot dumidikit ang Kabuyaw sa set na ito compared sa unang set natin. Hindi nila hinahayaang lumayo ang puntos ng Binyan. And with that sweet attack ni jersey number 11 ng Binyan, received by the libero. Susubukang umatake, pasok pa rin ang bola, nakuha ng Kabuyaw. Receive, and want to play. Doon na nakuha ng Binyan ang kanilang 13 point, 13 serving 8. This is still your set number 2 of match 1 between Binyan City versus Cabuyao City. Nice service pero na-over ng Cabuyao. Binyan will try to set the game. Ma'am Vivian to attack. Received by Cabuyao. Trying to set the game and play. That attack, nagkalituhan. Hindi na nahabol pa puntos for Cabuyao. It's now 8 serving 12. Pakonti na lang ang kalamangan ng Binyan. It's 9 serving 12. Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan ng Binyan City. Error on that attack. Still another point for Kabuyao. 10. Serving 12. Baba sa dalawang kalamangan ng Binyan. Patuloy na humahabol ang Kabuyao City. Mukhang nagkakaproblema ang Binyan sa kanilang play. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi pa ang Binyan. Want to play by Kabuyao. Attack by Binyan. And that attack by number 26 is a point. 13 serving 10. Balik sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Binyan. Shout out kay Miss Gina Pioquinto, go Binyan. Jansel De Jos, go LGU Binyan. Keep your comments coming. And that is outside. Point for Kabuyao. 10 serving 13. 11 serving 13. Nice save by Kabuyao. Easy over ang bibigay. Nahabol ng Binyan. Ibinalik, but the libero will take it over. Receive pa rin. Ball keep playing, pero hindi na nahabol pa ng Kabuyao. Point for Binyan. It's 14 serving 11. Sabi ni Miss Jerry Peña, go Binyan. Ayos na yan. Jersey number 14 for the serve. But that ball went out. Point for Kabuyao. Kabuyao for the serve. And that is a service ace for Kabuyao City. 13-14, baba sa isang kalamangan ng Binyan. Tuluyan nang naubos ng Kabuyao ang lamang ng Binyan City. It's now 13-14 of the set number 2. Tuloy-tuloy naman ang error on the side of Binyan. It's now 14 all. Time out. Mukhang hindi time out ang itatawag. Nagkakaroon ng diskusyon ng ating first referee, up referee, and our team captain, jersey number 20, Miss Sese, ng Binyan City. Mukhang ni-remind lang ang players ng ating positioning ng entrance and exit. At pagsasabi ng time out. Time out ang hinatol for Binyan. Our score now is 14 all. Continue on watching here at the 3rd LGU Games Women's Volleyball First Match. Sino-sino bang mga teams ang inyong sinusuportahan sa laban na ito? Kayo ba ay Team Binyan or Team Kabuyao? Please keep your comments coming and cheer for your teams. I-share nyo rin po ang ating live na ito. We are live here at the London Sports Arena through the Facebook page of the 3rd Local Government Unit Games. Still brought to you by the City Human Resource and Development Office. And this is the first time in this match na nakalamang na ang Kabuyao. 1-point lead for Kabuyao. Substitution for Binyan. Jersey number 26 is out. Now jersey number 1 is coming in for Binyan. 14 is out. 25 is in. At yun na nga ang iniintay na puntos ng Binyan. 15 all. Another substitution for Binyan. Mukhang nagpapalit ng setup ang mga team sa Binyan para tuloy-tuloy ang communication sa court. Once again, you're still watching the third LGU Games Women's Volleyball Tournament. Sabi ni Miss Lani Perez, nice one, Riza Kabuyao. So if you're watching this live, keep your comments coming. I-cheer nyo na ang inyong mga LGU employees na chini-cheer at sinusuportahan. This is your time para ipagsigawan at i-cheer sila. Even though nasa mga bahay kayo, nasa mga opisina, keep your comments and your cheers coming. We're live here at the Alonte Sports Arena in the city of Life, Binyan City. After this match, ay meron tayong susunod na match. Bagay pa rin ng women's division. After that match, we'll proceed with the men's volleyball division. Sabi ni Miss Anne, dinglas ng Dr. Kayan, City of Cabuyao. We're now tied at 15. Now it's jersey number 1 at the service line for Binyan. Easy received by Cabuyao. They'll try to attack. Over by Cabuyao. But that sweet over by jersey number 1 makes another point. Advances Binyan in the scoring board. 16-15. Still jersey number 1 for the serve. Service ace by Binyan. 17-15. Mukhang eto na, nagbabalik na. Yung nangyari sa first set. Natuloy-tuloy ang service ace. Now it's jersey number 1. Kanina mga attack ni jersey number 5. Pero na-jinx natin ang service ni jersey number 1 sa error na iyon. Balik tayo sa Cabuyao, 16 serving 17. Cabuyao now at the service line. Nice service by Cabuyao. Sinet for Binyan. And that attack is not over. Tinawagan na 4 touches ng ating up referee. All 17. This is a third tie-up for this set. Easy attack by Binyan. By jersey number 22. Ang muse ng Binyan contingency. Got a point with that attack. Inside. Nice serve. Inside. That was an error on that service ng Binyan. It's now all 18 or 4 tied up in this set. Nagkalituhan, miscommunication sa point na iyon. Kaya naman this is the second time na lumalamang ang Cabuyao. It's now 19-18. Sabi ni John Mark Borja, nakakahilo daw yung camera. Oo, ganyan po talaga tayo pag live. Pagpasensyaan nyo na. Sinusundan natin ang laro ng ating mga players. Attack by jersey number 22. Nice attack. Trying to block pero 4 touches inside. The block ni Miss Jessica ng Binyan. 22. Now it's 19 all. We're now tied up at 19. Pero sinuklian ng service error. Kaya muling balik sa isang lamang ng Kabuyao. 20 serving 19. Service by Kabuyao. Sa set ng Binyan. Atake ng Kabuyao. Nakuha ng Binyan. Susubukang matake number 5 but that point, double ang tinawag sa setter. Jersey number 20 ng Binyan. Point for Kabuyao. Kaya naman at this point, substitution with the setter. 20 out, 12 in. Our official score is 21 serving 19. Set by number 12. Easy over by jersey number 5. Isa set ng Kabuyao. Pinalo. Sinet. Jersey number 5 with that attack. Nakuha ng Kabuyao. The libero is waiting there pero miscommunication sa side ng Binyan. Patakbo si number 17 realizing na si setter number 12 ang magre-receive pero kaya naman time out ang tinawag ng Binyan. It's now 19 serving 22. Ay, nanonood si Maring Baloy, I left it. Hello, Baloy. Lani Perez, service. Ano po yung service? Ang daming cheerer ni Miss Jessica. Go, 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 Jessica. This is our second set of the first match of women's volleyball of the third local government unit games. Hatid sa inyo ng City Human Resource and Development Office ng City Government of Binyan in partnership with the LGUs participating in this tournament. Kasama natin ang City of Santo Tomas, City of Cabuyao, City of San Pedro, Santa Rosa City, Carmona City, Calamba City, Tanawan City, at marami pang iba. Los Baños kasama din natin ngayon. At napapanood din nyo ang Cabuyao, pero nakita ng referee, hindi na inabot ang bola kaya puntos for Binyan. It's now 20-22. Angat pa rin ang dalawang kalamangan ng Cabuyao. Number 12. Ibinalik agad ang bola. Isa-set ng Cabuyao. With that attack, nandun si jersey number 5, set by number 12, attack by 1. Nahuli ng Cabuyao ang bola, ibinalik agad ang bola, 17, 12 to set, pinalo ni number 1. Nice save, pero hindi na naiangat pa ng Cabuyao. But that was a good save by Team Cabuyao. Ganyang mga laro ang inaabangan natin, yung talaga namang isi-save ang bola. Kaya sabi ni Miss Leia Ersha Danwata, tatapusin na niyan Cabuyao. 22-21. We're very close at the end of this set. Tingnan natin kung iuwi na ba ng Cabuyao to tie this set to 1-1 or nandyan pa rin ang Binyan para bawiin ng score. Ayan na nga. Sinet ni number 12. Papaluin ni number 1 ng Binyan. Nice save! Na-save ni number 20 for Cabuyao. Binigay ang bola, and that was outside. Point for Binyan. Now we're tied at 22. Mahigpit na mahigpit ang laban. All 22. Binyan for that serve. Nice save by jersey number 2. Binyan will try to set the ball. 1 for the attack. Nice save pero hindi pa rin naiangat. Mukhang sa second ball ang Cabuyao nahihirapan. Binyan is now the warning score, 23-22. Substitution for Cabuyao, 12 is out, 6 is in. Mukhang sa second ball nahihirapan ang Cabuyao City. At ang Binyan naman ay talagang nagsisipag na maghabol ng bola. Nanonood ngayon ang admin officer and ang department head ng City Youth and Sports Development Office ng Cabuyao, Attorney Paeng Pali. Hello po, Attorney Paeng. Thank you for watching this live. Talaga namang nakabantay ang Mayor Dennis Hain sa laro ng Team Kabuyao. At syempre naman sa Team Binyan, nandyan ang Mayor Arman at ating Yes the Head, Sir Benjo Suarez. Pero on that set na naiba to ni number 12 na setter ng Binyan, nagkaroon pa ng ero. Kaya tied at 23. Dikit na dikit ang laban ng Kabuyao versus Binyan. Parang sister city na ang Kabuyao at saka ang Binyan. Kaya naman, tignan natin kung saan aabutin ng points na ito. Number 1 with an attack. Nice attack by jersey number 1 of Binyan. 24-23. Set point for Binyan. Now, Kabuyao will take it slow and will call a timeout. Strategy din yan para ma-ice yung ating mga players. Tignan natin, last point na for Binyan. And 23 ang Kabuyao. Sabi ni Aldrin Del Rosario, Kabinyan ang tawa. But historically, ang Binyan ay bahagi ng Kabuyao. When we were in the early part of our history, bahagi ang Binyan ng Kabuyao. And then suddenly, as the history goes, we went individually and now we're both the city. Kaya naman, shout out sa ating mga city officials sa Binyan City and Cabuyao City. That service was a good serve for Binyan. Cabuyao will try to attack, but was an easy over. Set by number 12. 1-2 attack. And that was a sub-attack point for Binyan. And the second set goes to Binyan City. 2-0. Congratulations, Team Binyan. Pero yan pa lang ang ikalawang set. Kailangan makatatlong panalo ng Binyan to win this game. Babawi ba ang Kabuyao in the last 3 sets o tuluyan ng iuwi ng Binyan ang muling set para makuha ang unang panalo sa match na ito? Tumutok lang at abangan dito sa ating third LGU Games Women's Volleyball Division. Shout out kay Coach Ray at Marlon, sabi ni Sir Ray D. Karandang. At sa ating 117 viewers, sabi ni Sir Daryl Limpin, shoutout po from the Office of the City Prosecutor, City of Santo Tomas, Province of Batangas. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan sa Office of the City Prosecutor sa Santo Tomas, Batangas. Magandang buhay po sa inyong lahat. Sabi ni Duzor, go Binyan. Keep on watching. We will be moving to the third set of this match, number 1. We are still live here at the Alonte Sports Arena for our third LGU Games Women's Volleyball first match between Cabuyao and Binyan City. We're now 2-0. Abandon ng dalawa ang Binyan City at patuloy pa rin kayo sa pagko-comment. Sabi ni Jordan Bautista, shout out po kay Press Ellie ng Admin Office ng LGU Cabuyao. At sabi ni Attorney Paeng Pales, shout out po kay Cabuyao City Legal Officer Attorney Ronald Solis. Hello po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Cabuyao City. At sabi ni JB Eusebio, shout out po sa mama ni jersey number 1 from Binyan, Glessy Eusebio. Nice one from Binyan. It's now 1 serving 0. Game natin ay 5 sets. Kasama natin ngayon dito sa game na ito ang ating Binyan City Vice Mayor, Mayor Jel Alonte. Shout out po sa minamahal nating Vice Mayor o chill na chill. Nanonood ngayon sa ating games. Ang ating minamahal na Vice Mayor Jel Alonte. Tignan nyo na makatatapos lang ni Vice Mayor Jel na maglaro for the Team Binyan sa ating basketball games against San Pedro City. And Binyan went home with an overwhelming score sa ating unang game ng basketball. Sabi ni Malu Elomina, shout out po kay Attorney JB Baruebo and Attorney Christopher Brian Salom and back personnel. Shout out po sa inyong lahat dyan. Binyan with that service. Trying to attack for block sana ng Binyan, but that attack of Cabuyao went through, so it's 1 serving 2. Nice service by Team Cabuyao. Sa set ni jersey number 12, pinalo ni number 1, score for Binyan. 3 serving 1. Nice service by Binyan. Receive na setter, kaya si number 5 ang nag-set. Pero nakita at kinulang puntos para sa Binyan. That's not over 4 touches ang tinawag for Binyan City. It's now 3 serving 2. 3 for Binyan, 2 for Cabuyao. And that is inside. Sabi ng up referee, inside daw. Kita sa linya, 4 serving 2. Sabi ni Attorney Paeng Pales, shout out, Ninong Eugene, nakapagbanlaw na ko nong. Ha ha ha. Sabi po ni Attorney Paeng. Nice attack by Cabuyao. Binyan is trying to set and play the game. Nice receive by the libero of Cabuyao. Trying to attack. Nakita ng Binyan ang gustong gawin ng Cabuyao. Papaluin ni number 5 ng Binyan. Cabuyao to set. That attack was inside. Point for Cabuyao. 3 serving 4. Sabi ni Kits Aragones, good luck. 1 bagong Cabuyao. Jersey number 3 for Cabuyao to serve. Nice receive by Binyan. 5 to attack. Nice stick by jersey number 6. Easy over. But that is outside. Point for Binyan. 5 serving 3. Long service by Binyan. Sa set, papaluin na number 5. Medyo hindi ready si Libero. Na-underestimate yung distance, kaya naman kinulang 0.4 Binyan. 6 serving 3. This is still your third LGU games. We just opened today. And we have 10 participating LGUs in men's basketball, women's volleyball, and men's volleyballs. So we thank all the local government units participating for this match. Mukhang may diskusyon ng ating technical committee, ang ating up referee, and that point will be awarded to Binyan. Meron atang tinawagang violation, kaya inaward ang puntos sa Binyan. It's now 7-3. Mamaya aalamin natin kung ano yung diskusyon na yan. Nice receive by the libero of Binyan. Atake si number 5. Nice save by jersey number 20. Sinet ng libero. Nagkaroon ng miscommunication and that attack ng Cabuyao City. Point 4 Binyan. 8 serving 3. Mukhang nagkalituan na mula sa award ng point na iyon ng Cabuyao. So Binyan will still serve. Nice service by Binyan. Attack by Cabuyao. Nice attack by jersey number 27 of Cabuyao. Sabi ni Tutsi Hikana, shoutout po sa Tropang Arena. So sa mga taga-Tropang Arena, Alonte Arena, shoutout po. Nice floating serve by Cabuyao. Easy over by Binyan. Libero saving that ball. Aatake ang Cabuyao. Sinundot ni number 5 pero nabawi. Ibabalik niya ang bola with that floating over. Set by jersey number 20. Papalo ang Cabuyao. Wala. Score dahil outside ang tinawag ng ating up referee. Point for Binyan. Nice save. Attack by Binyan. Nice save by jersey number 5. Pushed by Binyan. Ibinalik din ng Cabuyao. Set. Attack by number 5. Na-block, nahawakan. So, puntos para sa Binyan. There's a touch at that attack. Time out, Cabuyao. 10 serving 4. Yes, keep your comments coming here at the third LGU game sa pagtatapat ng Cabuyao City and Binyan City. Lahat ng ating mga games, if you want to watch it live, you can come here and join us at the Alonte Sports Arena. Our games tomorrow will start at 9 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. Kaya manood po kayo ng live. Unahin ang mga basketball matches followed by the volleyball matches. Dito pa rin yan sa City of Binyan. We are at the third set of this first match between Cabuyao and Binyan City. Still serving is jersey number 22 by for Binyan. With that nice service. Is a set muli. And number 5 for the floating over. Set by number 20. Problem at that net, kanina pa mukhang nahihirapan ng Binyan kapag masyadong malapit ang mga atake at ang abigay malapit sa net. So it's now 5 serving 10. Nice receive by the libero. Susubukan mag-attack pero tinawagan ng referee at ang tawag doon ay double kay jersey number 12 sa setter ng Binyan. Now serving is Cabuyao, jersey number 17. Napakaganda ng service na yon. Kaso tinalon, sinundot ng Cabuyao kaya hindi na iangat ang bola, puntos para sa Binyan. Yes, Kids Aragones. May the best city win. Good luck. God bless. God first. Cabuyao. Nice dig by Cabuyao. Easy over by Cabuyao. 17 to receive. Is a set ni jersey number 12. Over. Kontik na, but save by Cabuyao. Is a set ng Binyan. It's now jersey number 1. Jao sa that net, hindi na itawid ang bola. 4 touches, point for Kabuyao. Sabi ni Franco Eli, shout out sa guwapong-guwapo naming sports head, Attorney Paeng, Laban, Puso, Atletang Kabuyenyo. Sinundot ni 25. Hindi na nakayanan ng persa ng Kabuyao kaya puntos para sa Binyan. 12, serving 7. Nice serve for Binyan. Another point for them, 13-7. Number 12 for the serve. Set by number 20. Nakita ni number 1 ang pag-attack niya, kaya ibabalik niya ang attack on the same spot. Na-save ni number 3. Easy over by Kabuyao. It's a set ni number 12. Number 1 to attack. Nice attack but blocked by number 6 and the ball still alive. Isa-set ni Binyan. Itinulak ng konti, malapit sa net. Nagkahulugan sa set ni number 12. One to another attack. Save and dig by the libero of Kabuyao. Iyangat na lang ng Kabuyao ang bola. Nice receive by Binyan. Set by number 12. Another attack by number 1. Nakaabang si Kabuyao but that is not enough para itaas ang bola. Kaya puntos para sa Binyan. 14 serving 7. Napakaganda ng rallying yun. Kaya congratulations Team Binyan sa puntos na yun. Talaga namang in fairness sa Kabuyao, maganda rin ang mga receive at dig. Kaya doon sa puntong yon, hindi na kayanan ng Binyan na iangat ang bola. Nabutasan sila ng Kabuyao. It's now 8, serving 14. That attack that you saw is from jersey number 27 of Kabuyao. It gave them another point. It's now 9, serving 15. Sino ba ang inyong sinusuportahan sa laban na ito? Come and cheer for your teams. And that is outside. Point for Binyan. 7-16-9. Oo, sabi ni Onya, 14 lang daw ang Binyan. Meron po tayong sinusundang technical committee, na official scorer po natin. Ayun, sayang na talagang sisipag ng Kabuyao City na yung nakikita niyo pong score dito sa ating screen ay mini-mirror lang natin sa official scorer po na nandun po sa side ng second referee or the down referee. So sinusundan lang po natin yung score po nila. So minsan talaga ay ayan. Our score now is 18, serving 9. It's jersey number 1 at the service line. That is outside. Point for Kabuyao. 10, serving 18. There will be a substitution happening at the side of Cabuyao City. At pinaplano pa ng Kabuyao ang kanila magiging strategy para sa set na ito. Nice service by Cabuyao City. Nice attack by jersey number 5 that made the point for Binyan. Now serving is jersey number 17 for Binyan. Received by the libero of Cabuyao. That was a block by Binyan. Time out Cabuyao. Our score now is 20, serving 10. We're back at our third set. Attack by number 27, di na naangat pa ng Binyan, so point for Cabuyao. 11 serving 20. Nice save by Cabuyao. Pero error on that miscommunication sa side ng Binyan. 12 serving 20. Jersey number 10 for Cabuyao to serve. Nakita ng Kabuyao ang butas pero na-over pa rin ng Binyan. Papalo pa rin ng Kabuyao. Na-save pa rin ng Binyan. Binyan to attack. Matangkad na si jersey number 22 pero kinulang pa rin ng talon. Puntos para sa Cabuyao City. It's 13-20. Jersey number 5. Attack by jersey number 27. Time out. Binyan. 14 serving 20. You're still watching the third LGU games. Women's volleyball. Match number 1. Ngayon sa Alonte Sports Arena, makikita rin natin ang mga department head from the City Government of Binyan watching, joining, and supporting their teams for the first match. Nandyan si Ma'am Maribo Nakwa ng City DRRMO. Nandyan din sila Ma'am Olay ng City Social Welfare and Development Office. Nandyan din si Dr. Mirabel ng City Health Office 1 at ang department head ng City Veterinary kasama rin natin ngayon. At syempre, ang ating minamahal na Vice Mayor Jel Alonte ay kasama rin natin. Nasa courtside ang ating mga department head. Medyo hindi kita niya sa ating camera pero si Vice Jel mag-iisang oras nang nakatayo at nanonood ng match na ito. Now our score is 21-14. Nakapuntas ang Binyan and now they're substituting for their players na magiging breather sa match na ito. I mean, sa set na ito. Now, jersey number 14 for the service. Nice attack by jersey number 22 of Cabuyao. Now, Cabuyao will serve. Easy over by Binyan. Ibinalik agad ng Kabuyaw. Isa-set ni number 12. Here's number 5 to attack. Nice save by Kabuyaw. Na-save din ng Binyan. Papaluin uli ni number 5. Pero nakuha ulit at na-save. Kaso nagkamali sa bahaging iyon ng pagsalo ni jersey number 12. Kaya napasorry siya sa kanyang mga teammates. It's now 15 serving 22. Will Binyan finally take the first match? Nice service by jersey number 5, but could pick up by Kabuyao jersey number 27. Easy set. Here's number 1 to attack. Save by number 2. Itinulak na lang ng Kabuyao. Itutulak din ng Binyan, but that is out. Point for Kabuyao. 16-22. Sino ba ang inyong sinusuportang team sa tournament na ito? Are you Team Kabuyao or are you Team Binyan? But here in the third LGU Games, we promote camaraderie, transparency, and support for our agency. Tinulak sa likod, isa-set ng Binyan. Jersey number 1, pasok pa rin. Na-save ni jersey number 2 ng Kabuyao. We'll set again. Here's number 1 to attack. Pero kinulang, kinapos. Mukhang hindi nakapaganda si jersey number 2 ng Kabuyao kasi nanggaling siya saving that attack. Nag-cheer sila, sabi ni Renan, go Santa Rosa Lions. Si Alex Diazis, go Santa Rosa Lions. Aurinsky, Team Kabuyao. And Joshua, Team Bagong Los Baños po. We're now at the match point for Binyan, 24-16. 20 to set. Kabuyao will attack, but that is an error. Point for Binyan. And this match goes to Binyan City with a score 60-25-16.
Call for match number 2. Second and last call for match number 2 of the women's division. Calamba City and Santa
Once
Rosa
again,
City.
congratulations to our winning team, Team Binyan 3-0. This match is against Cabuyao City, and good job to Cabuyao City. Abangan pa ninyo ang pagtatapat at ating pagharap. Abangan na ating second match dito pa rin sa ating Local Government Unit Games 2024 season.
Tama. And, well, sabi mo monster dyan. Hi ka. Oh, ini untuk mengingat untuk mengingat class to play.
And for this first match of the women's volleyball, our player of the game from Team Binyan is jersey. It's jersey number 5. Nasa na si jersey number 5? Sorry, para PBL ang eksena. Sino ang mga nais niyo pong pasalamatan sa tapos niyo pong match, jersey number 5? Dito po tayo. Ayan. Sino po ang nais niyo pong pasalamatan po?
Thank you po sa lahat ng sumuporta, kay Vice Den, sa mama ko nandyan, sa jowa ko. Si Ma'am Jen po, thank you po.
Once again, our player of the game is jersey number 5 Latino of Team Binyan.